Okay, we're in this really beautiful part of Naples, and we have this street with all these trees that are underneath. We're gonna go explore that a little bit. Before we even do, just kind of show you all the stuff that's already around here. And this street is called Via CHIAIA. And we also have this kind of cool one too. I was thinking I might actually go up in here in a little bit, just kind of film inside. It looks like this. So I might do a separate one. But this particular one's going to go down that street with all the trees. Okay, so let's capture this little stretch of trees and some nice music too. A walking area. It's still nice in here, shady, breezy. Okay, let me kind of try to capture this whole feeling in here. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. Nice and shady. Let's kind of capture this again. It's really nice. Got some nice window balconies there too. Yeah, this street is pretty cool. Don't know if I know the name of it, but we're gonna try to capture as much as we can of it. So we're gonna go in that way in a second. We also have all these things too, so I don't know what these are, but you have these beautiful buildings everywhere. We come out over here. So I think this street just keeps on going further down, all the way down that way. Let me just see if we're going to try to go this way a little bit. Got some nice streets down that way as well. So okay, so I don't know the name of the street, but we'll try to find a street name for it. Let's see. I don't know, this could be it right here. Palazzo. Let's just go down a little bit further. So I do have other street stuff down here. We're gonna go across here real quick too. I guess we're still in this CHIAIA area. Okay. Then we're gonna come in this little plaza as well. We'll just walk all the way down until we get to this other street. Actually, I think this is a whole plaza right in here. The church. So that focus was at one of the trees right over that way. And we're just gonna come down a little bit. I think this goes all the way down to that monument. It goes all the way down to that monument right there. Okay, so let me just kind of do a 360 here.
Okay, so he was gone.
We're gonna come back up to here. So yeah, basically this was this whole area. Yeah, we'll just stay on this side, I guess. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back, so I'm gonna film that uphill part. And then this is going to be the I don't know if it's Caterina, but anyways, pretty cool little space. Another slice of Naples. Okay. It's gonna come up like up here. And then this is the other side. Let's see. This guy is gonna park. Okay. Pretty cool. We're gonna end it right there.
Spagna, lindo, lindo,